Hello guys, this is Giulia from EasyBiz. Welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you our PageDyno review. I will explain what it is, how it works and exactly everything you find inside. I will also show you the demo and the pricing as well. So make sure to stay until the end to get everything you need. Before I start, I quickly show you the bonus page. If you decide to purchase the product, you can do through the first link in the description below. And immediately after the purchase, you will find a ton of high-value extra bonuses included. They are custom made by us, so you can't find them anywhere else and allow you to get the most results using PageDyno. All of them are designed to help you improve all your web marketing skills. You will learn the fundamental strategies for generating traffic, leads and sales for any type of online business. So let's go on the page where you can find all these details and you can check for yourself too. So what is PageDyno? If you want to do digital marketing, you will need landing pages to show lead magnets and offers. The landing page represents a crucial element for online marketers, since it's the page where users land and will have to perform an action. It's like the business card for your website. Its main goal is to convert or get the user to do what you want him to do and become a customer. Each landing page has specific and unique goals, so its structure can vary significantly depending on the results you intend to achieve. But randomly creating a lot of landing pages and only sending people won't help your business grow. These strategies will only work if you make landing pages that are interesting and get a lot of conversions. A quick and easy approach to creating a website is PageDyno. It has been created by the digital marketing company called Monkey Web Apps, and their promise is that PageDyno is the engaging, quick and easy to use lead generation tool that makes sure more people sign up with less trouble. If it takes a long time for your web page to load, visitors will leave because they don't have time to wait. While you are trying to increase opt-ins, the page takes forever to load. With PageDyno, your pages will load much faster and collecting opt-ins will be much easier. Your blogs will receive more views and opt-ins thus increase your earnings. So, PageDyno is the page building platform for businesses that guarantees more sign-up and less trouble. You can make sign-up pages, pages for promoting your affiliate links, and even quick and easy sales pages. You can make pages for registering for pre-webinars, prize draws or contests, workshops and more, and it only takes a few clicks. This software is a newbie-friendly and is a cloud-based app, so nothing to download or install. It can help you build your email list by making landing pages that load quickly. It is perfect for people who work in affiliate marketing, course development, vlogging, agency, selling products, and many other fields. When you have PageDyno, you will be able to use some powerful features such as ability to make pages that convert well and load quickly in any niche. Access done-for-you pages that are ready to use right away and create a page in no time. You can list and sell any type of digital product creating sale pages. So, how does PageDyno work? It works in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Choose a done-for-you template for the dashboard and click on the type of page you want to make. Step 2. Decide what you want to do with the page, like host a webinar, sell products or something else. Step 3. Click the Create Page button and you are ready to go. If you need to make changes to your page after putting your link there, you can do so on the page in your dashboard. PageDyno lets you also quickly add your opt-in pages, even ones with multiple steps, to your one website by letting you copy and paste a small piece of code. They have also made it possible to put these pop-ups on websites that are not their own. You can also choose how often pop-ups show up for people who come back to your site. Then you have all the traffic statistics collected, so you just have to bring people to the landing page URL given and done. Okay, now I start a quick demo video showing the features and then I come back with the pricing. Okay guys, let's talk about pricing. You basically have for today the front-end offer at $67 per year with fixed discount for life, instead of an annual subscription at $159 per year, so it comes today with a 65% savings. You can add some useful add-on for only $29. For example, remove all powered by branding from your hosted pages. Then you have all one-time payments. Auto 1 for $49 is the PageDyno Conversion Accelerator Kit. Add countdown timers, progress bars, and social retrieve features. These features are super powerful and will give you a boost on conversions. Then you have the Auto 2 for $49, with which you can add campaign optimizer feature to your pages. For example, do A/B testing. With Auto 3 for $49, you can create dozens of powerful lead magnets and sales generators. And Auto 4 for $149 is a secret beta offer for new users with one-time payment. Clearly, you don't have to buy all of them to start, you just need the front end, and then depending on how much and what kind of work you want to do, you can choose the upgrades. So, what is our final opinion about PageDyno? This software is easy to use and gets the job done quickly without making you crazy with complicated page builders or codes. Really fast loading of pages, definitely a good tool to add to all the others you use to market and grow your email lists. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for checking out my review. If you want to get started with PageDyno and all our bonuses included, just link the first link in the description below. Also subscribe and like this video if it was helpful and we appreciate it. For any question, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching and see you next time.